So the recipe that we're making today is an egg curry. As many of you know, I'm actually born and raised here in the United States. I'm from California actually, but I lived in Sri Lanka for 2 years, and when I was there, I learned a lot about cooking authentic foods in the home that can really strengthen your hair and your skin. One of those recipes that I'm going to share with you today is a very simple egg curry recipe. It has a lot of different spices and ingredients that are very beneficial for your entire body, and you're going to find that your hair strength will improve when you eat foods like this on a consistent basis. So in this recipe, I really wanted to focus on 2 major important amino acids that are essential for your hair, and that is cysteine and glycine. And to do that, the main ingredient that we're going to be using is egg, which has a natural source of biotin, cysteine, and glycine. It's very good for you. If you're vegan, don't worry. I have so many recipes for you as well that I'm going to keep making in the future. But you can still make this recipe. Instead of using egg, just substitute firm tofu. I'm going to introduce you to all of our ingredients. The first ingredient that we have, the major ingredient, is egg. So we're going to be using 10 eggs, and the entire recipe will feed 6 people. We're also going to be using curry leaf, garlic, ginger, and onion, and 1 green chili. The green chili is optional if you don't like your food too spicy. You can leave that out. We really love the way it makes the curry taste though, so we're going to use that. We're also going to use turmeric and red pepper flakes. We're going to be using this vegetarian soup cube. It's like a bouillon but vegetarian. Also in our recipe, we're going to be using fenugreek seeds, fennel seeds, Ceylon cinnamon, and mustard seed. Lastly, we have organic coconut milk and water. We're going to be using half of a red bell pepper, and we will be using half of a lemon. And as a garnish, we're going to be using these moringa leaves. They're fresh moringa leaves. We've already started cooking some brown rice, and that will be ready pretty soon. So let's dive into it. To get started, we'll add a little bit of salt to the water to bring it to boil. So I just put the eggs to boil, and now I want you to come along with me, and we're going to get the rest of our ingredients ready. Okay guys, to get started, we're going to turn the pan on high and get the oil nice and hot. And to our oil, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, about half a teaspoon of fennel seed, half a teaspoon of mustard seed, and a sprig of Ceylon cinnamon. We're also going to add our curry leaves, our onion, our garlic, and our ginger. Next, we're going to add our green chili, our red bell peppers, our vegetable cubes, and about half a teaspoon of turmeric. Now we're going to take about a quarter teaspoon of red pepper flakes, the juice of half of a lemon. We're going to saute it really well. Now we're going to add our eggs to the mixture and let them marinate with everything else. And you're also going to want to add some water, about 12 ounces of water. Now we're just going to cover it with the lid and let it simmer on medium to low heat for about 10 minutes. When it's completely finished, we're just going to serve it in a bowl with a side of organic brown rice, and we can use our moringa leaves to sprinkle as a garnish over the top of the curry.